All right, guys, so we are at Karon Beach right now, and as you maybe remember, something looks familiar. So this apartment, we took a video about 2 months ago. 2 months ago, and I told in the video that this room is gonna be sold very fast, and it did. It was sold really fast within 3 days. The Italian guy, quite elderly guy, he booked this apartment, and the developer took it out from the price list. Right now, developer waited for about 2 months patiently for the client to pay a contract payment, but he didn't. So this apartment is back to the market. 43 square meters, fully furnished, ready to move in, flexible payment plan for only 3.2 million baht. That's a great price. And please give us some comments, questions, write down to our email or WhatsApp. I'll be waiting. Thank you. Hello guys, today we are at Karon Beach. The project here is only 700 meters to the beachfront, not far away from any facilities. Family Mart, Macro, Deutsche Bakery. There is lots of different restaurants over there. And today we're gonna have a look at 43 square meters, one bedroom apartment. About the project. So in total there is 7 buildings, swimming pool, which is a little bit under the renovation right now, but it's gonna be ready in no time. Fitness center, reception, and we are in high season. We can see a lot of people right now renting it. They like it. It's a nice design. Let's go have a look at the apartment. Here's the entrance into the apartment. We turn left. This is the dining area. Going a little bit further, we have a kitchen, fully equipped, boiler, toaster. What do we have? Yeah, glass wine, wine glasses. I'm sorry, wine glasses, and yeah, well, everything that you need at home. 2 months ago, the developer says they had a renovation, so we can see nice, beautiful ladies over here. The whole area is quite wide, about 7 meters by 4. Very spacious. We go into the balcony. So you can have yourself a little breakfast here in the morning, drink a cup of coffee, and enjoy the jungle view. Lots of greenery, and it's very quiet. Okay, so let's go to the master bedroom. So go through here. Bedroom, shower, and the toilet. And here is the master bedroom, quite big size bed. Yeah, also they did a renovation, painted the walls. Here is the air conditioning. The wardrobe is over there. Let me have a look how big it is. Yeah, so I would prefer a little bit bigger, but it's all right. And the exit onto the balcony. As a conclusion, this is a walking distance to the beach, 700 meters. On the way to the beach, you can buy anything you need, like a couple of drinks, water, soda water, have a Thai cuisine, foreign cuisine, anything is in here. And this apartment is 43 square meters, freehold, fully furnished. So if you like the video, please leave a comment. Thank you.